Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. In this video I'm going to do another exciting mashup between two different characters, and to make the choice of the two characters as random as possible I'm using the website ranker.com, which contains pretty much lists of everything you can possibly imagine. So from this website I took two lists, one with villains from the Marvel universe and one with villains from the DC comic universe, and I will pick one character from each of these lists and combine them in one illustration. Well, I'm excited already, let's take a look at the top 10 of each of these lists. Well, we have some pretty dope characters on there if you ask me. So let's select our first character, and this will be a villain from the Marvel universe. I have here in this bowl on a piece of paper the top 10 of the villains from the Marvel universe, and then I will randomly pick one of them. So here we go. Okay, I have one. So let's see who we have here. Ooh, this is a favorite of mine. It is Venom. And for our DC villains we will do the same. In this bowl I have on a piece of paper the top 10 of the DC villains from the list. So I will also randomly pick one from that list. Let's see who we have here. And it is the Joker. Oh yeah. So the Joker and Venom combined together in one illustration, that sounds like a really cool challenge. So let's not wait any longer and let's get drawing.
Well, hello there. Why so serious? Just relax, it's only me. The Smully guy is taking a coffee break, so I'm taking my chance here to talk to you guys. You know, if I were you, I wouldn't hesitate 1 second and give this video a thumbs up. So don't be shy and hit that like button. And oh yeah, if you haven't already, you could subscribe just as well.
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
That's my exit cue, guys. Excuse me.
Well, that wraps up this week's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. If you would like to see a more high resolution version of this drawing, go to my DeviantArt account, links are down below in the description box. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!